Hi students, labeling in Civil 3D is one of the program's strengths, but it's also an easy place to get lost. There are many options for different labeling situations. Spread can be difficult. When you think about it, any number of items can be labeled on an alignment. These include major and minor station geometry points, design speeds, and profile information. Each of these objects will have its own style. Applying all of these individual labeling styles one after the other would be tedious. So Civil 3D has provided you with the label set. Actually, a label set contains many different types of alignment labels. These sets are available during the creation and labeling process, making the application of many different types of labels less burdensome. Out of the box, a number of sets are available, primarily designed for a combination of major and minor station styles along with geometry information. So we will learn how to create individual label styles and we will use the out-of-box styles and labels set over the next couple of exercises. We have major stations, minor stations, and we have also geometry points as a label sets. In this exercise, we will apply a label set to all of our alignments and then see how an individual labels can be changed from the set. Just open drawing 612 alignment label set and select the row D alignment on screen here. Right click to open the context menu for the object and select edit alignment labels to display the alignment labels dialog. Okay, now click the import label set button near the bottom of this dialog to display the select label set dialog box, and here just select all label and click OK. The alignment label dialogs now populate with the additional label imported from the label set. So click OK to accept the setting in the alignment label dialog box. Now deselect the alignment by pressing the escape key and repeat same process to import all labels set for the alignment. Here just select your alignment and then right click, edit label, alignment labels, import label set. Select all labels, just click OK and then press OK to apply same label set to this alignment. When you have finished, zoom in on any of the major station label and you can see how they are appearing here. Now open the AutoCAD properties palette using the Ctrl+1 like this. Okay, and we can put them anywhere here on the drawing. And now select the label and notice how all of the label set group are selected. You can see, notice also the properties of this group as display in the AutoCAD property is palette. Just press escape to deselect and then hold down the control key and select the label. For example, this one. Notice that a single label is selected, not the label set group for now, and the labels contextual tab is also activated here. You can see. So with the individual major station selected in the properties palette, you will see the properties for the individual label here. Use the major station label styles drop down list to change from the default to perpendicular with tick and line like this. I think it is already selected, so just check it out, and then change the flip label value to true to move the label from the left side to the right side. Just you will see here a flip label. Okay, this command can be helpful if your plans become busy and you need to move a label to the other side for better visibility. Just close the properties palette and press escape to deselect the label items. By using alignment label sets, we will find it easy to standardize the appearance of labels and stationing across alignment. Building labels set can take some time if you take into account building and label styles also, but it's one of the easiest, most effective ways to enforce standards. Beyond labeling and alignment, basic stationing and geometry points, we may want to label points of interest in reference to the alignments. Station offset labeling is designed to do just that, in addition to labeling the alignment properties. So we can include references to other object type in your station offset labels like alignment, cargo points, parcels, profiles, surfaces, and surface figure. So in this last portion of this exercise, we will use an alignment reference to create a label suitable for labeling the station information for the center point of this cul-de-sac. So use the same drawing from the Annotate tab here. Under the add labels and alignment, then add alignment labels. Just select. In the label type drop down list, select station offset fixed if it is not already selected. The station offset label type creates a label that floats with the alignment. If the alignment is edited graphically, the label will move with it, and the station and offset information that is displayed will remain constant. An example of this would be a label style that acts as a match line. The counterpart label type is station offset fixed point. So in the station offset label style drop down list, select station and offset. Leave the marker style at the default setting, but remember that you could use any of these styles, including the option to use none to mark the selected point. Click the add button here. At the select alignment prompt, select row D alignment as a reference, and then at the specify station along alignment, use the center or snap. Just press shift right click like this and then select center point, and it will show you the center of cul-de-sac. Just click here and again at the specify station offset, use the center or snap again, center, and click here. Just press enter to end the command. Now close the add label dialog box. Select the label if needed and use the sphere grip to drag the label to convenient location like this. Label grips will be discussed later. So using a station offset label and their reference object ability, you can label most site plans quickly with information that dynamically updates Because of the flexibility of labels in terms of style, we can create design labels that are used to add in modeling yet never plotted or not seen in the final deliverable. So this is how we can annotate our alignments using label sets, and how can we change and edit any individual label once we have all label in a group of label set. And you also mark station label set for any object in your drawing with the reference of any existing alignment. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise, where we are going to learn about alignment labels, where we will show the data like line and curve, spiral and segments in a table type for each alignment.